Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Maria Angelica Espetia Ramirez. I am studying Business Administration. I work as a treasury assistant and I am 13 years old. The musician who inspires me is the singer and songwriter Adele. I admire this singer for his life history and the way he beat his depression. Adele born May 5, 1988. When she was just 2 years old, her father abandoned her, leaving her mother. From a very young age, he showed interest in the jazz, R&B, blues. Adele credits the Spice Girls as a major influence on her love of music. Adele attracted the attention of the record industry when a friend released a theme song production on the MySpace social network. This is a part of the interview with Adele with Opera Conduct. In the interview, she said that when she have a children, they will take good care of him. I think the intention of being with her son and giving him the best was good. That's why the breakup with him affected her so much. Adele said that during her career, her body was critical many times. I think that what Adele said is good because it teaches that physical appearance does not matter when you sing from the hair. Adele said in an interview that due to anxiety, she woke up in the early morning crying. She says afterwards that the exercise gained her concentration, gained him a place to put his energy, be it good or bad. Thanks. Bye bye, teacher. Thanks.